Hello friends, I am Mr. Sachin Vasant Berde, Assistant Teacher. I work in Shri R.D. Patne Jnandeep Vidya Mandir Bhadgaon Tahsil Kher District Ratnagiri. I teach English subject to 5th class and 5th scholarship exam. Today we are going to learn about vocabulary and new topic is contracted forms. Contracted forms means we have to contract two words in one words. Second meaning of contracted form is abbreviation. Sometimes we use short forms in the sentences. For example, he is, his, is not, isn't, are not, aren't. These examples are about contracted forms. So, I want to develop and build our confidence, and we have to get command on English language. That times we use many types of contracted forms in our speaking in our language. So which are the contracted forms we are going to learn today? Contracted फॉर्म्स म्हणजे काय तर दोन शब्दांचं आपण संक्षिप्त रूप तयार करतो, त्याला कॉन्ट्रॅक्टेड फॉर्म्स असं म्हणतात. दोन शब्दांना एकत्रित केलं जातं, त्या रूपाला, नवीन तयार होणाऱ्या रूपाला कॉन्ट्रॅक्टेड फॉर्म असं म्हटलं जातं. लेट्स सी. am not, am and not, these are two different words, and we contract them into one word, aren't. Listen carefully. R is very silent. Am not, aren't. R is silent. For example, I'm not going there. I'm not going there. I am going there. I am going there. Are not, aren't. We are not present. We are not present. We aren't present. We aren't present. Are and not, these two words, and we contract into aren't. Contracted form are not, is, aren't. Is not, isn't. Many times we use this contracted form in the sentences. Is not, isn't. He is not in the class. He isn't in the class. He is not in the class. He isn't in the class. Isn't. Isn't it? Isn't it? Do not. I do not like pineapple. I don't like pineapple. I do not like pineapple. I don't like pineapple. Do not, don't. Did not, didn't. He did not like mango. He didn't like mango. He didn't like mango. Did not, didn't. Was not, wasn't. Was not, wasn't. She was not like to play cricket. She was not like to play cricket. She wasn't play like to play cricket. She wasn't like to play cricket. Were not, weren't, were not, weren't. They were not going to Pune. They weren't going to Pune. They weren't going to Pune. Will not. The contracted form is different here. Will not, owned. Listen carefully. Pronunciation of this contracted form is will not, owned. See, will not, owned. Next, shall not, shan't. Shall not, shan't. I shall not come. I shan't come. I shan't come. Cannot, can't. Once again, different contracted form here. Cannot, can't. I cannot do this. I can't do this. I cannot do this. I can't do this. Can't. Could not, couldn't. Could not, couldn't. Has not, hasn't. She has not an umbrella. She hasn't an umbrella. She has not an umbrella. She hasn't an umbrella. Have not, haven't. Have not, haven't. I have not a cycle. I have not a cycle. I haven't a cycle. I haven't a cycle. Had not, hadn't. Had not, hadn't. For example, I had not a new car. I had not new car. I hadn't new car. I hadn't new car. Some others contracted form we are going to learn here. I am, I am. I am boy. I am a boy. And contracted form is I am boy, I am boy, I am. You are, you are, you are, you are. You are a doctor, you are a doctor, you are a doctor. He is, he is a batsman. He is a batsman. His batsman. His batsman. She is, she's. She is, she's. She's a good girl, she's good girl. She is a good girl, she's good girl. It is, it's lion, it's rabbit, it's an elephant. It is, it's. I shall, or I will, I'll. I shall, I'll, I'll. I shall be a good an actor. I shall be a good actor. We have, we have books, view books. We have view. We have books. View books. View some books. I have, I, I have, I have a pen. I have a pen. I have a pen. I have, I. You have, you. You have, you. Contracted form. You have is you. We had, with. We had, with. We had. We had a radio. We had a radio. With radio. With radio. These are some contracted form we have learnt. And now let's see some examples how to solve the questions on contracted form. Question is, choose the correct contracted form of shall not. Shall not, shan't. So option 1, shan't, shall not, and option 4, shan't. Option 1, 2 and 4 are not form of shall not, and option 3, shan't, is the correct option. So answer is option 3. Got it? Choose the correct contracted form of shall not. We have to find out contracted form of these two words shall and not, shan't. And so option is 3. Next question. See the next question. Choose the correct contracted form of cannot. Cannot, can't. Option 4 is the correct answer. Option 1, 2 and 3 are not form of cannot, and correct option is 4, can't, cannot, different contracted form. Cannot, can't. Option 4 is the correct answer. Last one. Choose the correct contracted form of will not, won't, and correct answer is option 2, will not, won't, different contracted form. Will not, won't. So option 1, 3 and 4 are not form of will not, and option 2, won't, is correct form. So correct answer is option 2. So friends, today we have learnt about contracted form, how to write contracted form of given words, and how to pronunciation of the contracted form we learned today. So let's practice again and again. Copy the all words in your notebook and read again and again. Thank you very much.